Teachmint is basically a company in an education space. We have a vision of digitizing education and helps teachers equipped with superpowers so that they can deliver their contents better. We currently do that through our classroom solutions. We have a Teachmint X device solution wherein the teachers can use this to deliver their own content. They can use different tools, some of it based on AI, and use in the classroom offline as well. It is as seamless as writing on a blackboard. They can write it on our Teachmint X panel and then use different tools to their aid to deliver their content better. I am Varun Mittal. I lead the business finance team at Teachmint. For a company like us, we wanted to drive things at much faster pace. We wanted to have data readily available to us to see it, to take action basis there. So that was one of the biggest pain points, which we realized that we have to move to a more newish tool, but at the same time, it talks to every other tool which we use as well. And that is where we moved to Zoho Books. When we look at Tally versus Zoho Books and why we decided to make this shift, one, obviously the UI. The UI was very outdated, I would say. And essentially it worked in isolation. It couldn't be integrated with many other tools or systems. They didn't allow us to be on top of things as a business. Essentially, our company, our business model, how we operate is we generally collect payments from most of our customers in advance. Onset of a transaction starts from the payment point itself. So now if I take an example, for a simple query, you had to place a request to someone in the finance team, and all of that work used to take 3-4 days. And by the time you wanted to take that, it had already been 2 days. So it's too late to already correct something. If I take an example of this exact transaction in Zoho Books, how it is happening for us now is that because of the integrations possible, ICICI Bank, which we use most prominently, is now directly integrated with our Zoho Books. So there is no need of pulling the statements. It gets real-time fetched. As soon as that happens, we also have virtual bank accounts created in ICICI, which help us map the payment automatically to the customer. So the entire first leg of work, wherein identifying the payment in the bank statement and then mapping it to the customer and then notifying someone else, all that has gone away. As soon as customer makes the payment, all of this happens automatically. They themselves get a notification from Zoho Books that your payment has been received. Now the next leg, which is the invoicing, that also can happen very seamlessly because that operation team who does the invoice already have this information available to them. As soon as the invoice is done, we have another rule set up, and as soon as that triggers, then the entire leg of transaction is complete. So that entire work, which required maybe say half an hour to 35 minutes for a given transaction, would have been now reduced to maybe 5 to 6 minutes. And at a number of people involved to do the transaction, say earlier it would be probably 2 and sometimes 3 people, is now just 1 person. So essentially, when we were using our older accounting tool, we had to do our monthly reportings in our Excel, basically put that into a format which we required. Now with Zoho, we have set in these templates on Zoho Books itself in these custom templates, where now financing do not have to do the activity month on month repetitively. They can just set the template once, and then month on month the same can be used to present these reports to different stakeholders, whether it be our own internal leadership or it be external investors as well. When it comes to keeping the financial health of the company in a very good state, it is mainly revolving around the 4 pieces, which is advances from customers, receivables from customers, and then advances to vendors and payables to vendors. For any of this, there used to be a long cycle to get and then prepare them in a format in which we can action them out. But with Zoho in place, we have live dashboards. We have created these aging dashboards according to us, however we wanted to see it for all these 4 metrics. The cycle for us to operate has become much shorter and much leaner. Our revenue is recognized on delivery. So what used to happen was our supply chain team used to interact with multiple courier partners, courier aggregators, and they used to update our supply chain team that, okay, these units have been delivered. And this was a daily back and forth. Now, with Zoho Books in picture, with the entire cloud tool in place, and Zoho Books, Zoho Inventory, and our courier partner website are all integrated. As soon as they market on their own system, the same information in real time flows to Zoho Inventory and then to Zoho Books. All of this helps us basically keep a very strong hold on our revenue in real time, and it is not requiring any other manual intervention. Overall, I think, with Zoho Books in place, our entire operation, especially on the accounts receivable side, has become much more efficient. Earlier, a lot of times used to happen that customer has, say, paid X amount, and we have still not updated the system correctly because of a mapping issue or because of a delay in adherence to the mapping SLAs. That created a lot of back and forth wherein customers were not very happy or did not trust our systems very well. Now with Zoho Books, these micro level data are accurately maintained, and that helps build a very good relationship with them. In terms of Zoho Books, essentially we are going to expand into UAE and also some countries in Southeast Asia as well. So for these markets, I see Zoho playing a very important role to expand internationally.